To use camera on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra as a magnifier, first you have to enable and choose a shortcut to turn on or off magnifier function. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Tap magnifier and then tap the gray on off switch next to magnifier shortcut until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, tap magnifier shortcut and then select the desired shortcut you like to use. As the example, we will select tap accessibility button. Once you have selected the shortcut, now you can use camera on your phone as a magnifier. To do so, tap the accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap magnifier. To adjust the magnification level, slide the zoom level adjustment bar to the right to increase it, or to the left to decrease it. If you need an extra light when using magnifier in the dark, you can tap torch icon to turn on your camera flash. To change the screen brightness, contrast and screen filter, tap filter icon. Slide the brightness adjustment bar to the right or to the left to manually adjust the screen brightness level. Or slide the screen contrast adjustment bar to the left or to the right to manually adjust the screen contrast level. By default, the magnifier doesn't use any screen filter. If needed, you can apply a filter so it will work better according to the condition. To apply a filter, swipe the screen below the contrast to the right and then choose the desired filter to use. As the example, you can apply black-red filter so you can magnify better while you are outside at night. To stop using your camera as magnifier, close the camera. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.